Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Steve Shane. Just want to welcome you to the Habitat for the Holidays Ornament Competition. We're going to do a short presentation just to talk about what you guys can do, some resources, and just some helpful things to know about the competition. So this is a short presentation, and if you have any questions, you can email me at stevens@spectra3d.com. What the contest is all about is designing for a good cause. We're going to help raise money to support the Asheville Area Habitat for Humanity's Building Fund. We've worked with them last year on this and had great success. We're hoping to have great success again this year. One of the things that is important is what is the criteria that we'll use for judging what everybody's going to submit. First is the theme. It's a holiday theme. It doesn't necessarily have to be Christmas. The real thing is creativity. How creative is it? And then the other one is the overall idea. What's your concept? Is it unique? Is it fun? Is it something that you can do, interesting things with? And then the last one is printability. How easy is this to print? We're not worried about details, but if the model is not designed to be printable, that could cause problems when we actually go to print this. Because we will print the winner's part, and that will be presented and announced on December 5th at 10 a.m. at the Asheville Area Habitat Store, which is the Restore over near Biltmore Village. We'll also include the part being printed as a demonstration of 3D printing, and there will be parts printed that will be on sale at the Restore for sale, so we can raise some money for Habitat for Humanity. So one way to find out and get some ideas is to see what other people are doing. And one thing that's fun to do is sort of check out some other locations online. You can see some of them here, Fusion 360 Gallery. So Fusion 360 is a 3D design software package, but the gallery has a lot of things that people have made. Also the Autodesk 123D Gallery. These are great places that you can go and just sort of see what people are making. Where you can find out what people are 3D printing are a couple places. One is Thingiverse. So Thingiverse is a MakerBot website that hosts hundreds of thousands, close to 1 million 3D models. And those are all 3D printable parts. You can go through and look at holiday ornaments, get an idea of what other people are doing, and use that as a way to really expand what your ideas could be. The idea, again, is to be as creative as you can. My Mini Factory is another place. They have models for sale or for free, and you can download those models, look at them. You can also get them 3D printed. Thingiverse, all the models on Thingiverse are free. TurboSquid is a professional 3D model site that offers 3D models for sale. They do have some 3D models that are extremely high quality, help you get an idea of what you want to do. So 123D Apps, this is an Autodesk website. They have several different applications that allow you to work in 3D without really needing a lot of knowledge on how to do 3D modeling or how to do 3D design. One of those is 123D Design. That's a more advanced modeler in the 123D apps, and it allows you to create really anything you can think of. Tinkercad is a fun application that allows you to go through a number of steps. I'll open these websites here in a little bit. It can take a number of things, and you can go through and make simple designs all the way to more complex things, but then you graduate to 123D Design. 123D Catch is a unique program that allows you to capture 3D models by taking photographs of something. It's a little bit harder to use, but once you get the hang of it, you can do some interesting things with it. And 123D Sculpt is a tool that allows you to sculpt sort of like you're working with clay. Some of those programs are also available for iPads, so you can use those on an iPad if you don't have a computer available. Another modeling tool is SketchUp. These two modeling tools, SketchUp and Fusion 360, are both free. SketchUp allows you to do some pretty complex designs, and it's a unique interface. It's a little more user-friendly. The Fusion 360 design software is much more robust, really designed for advanced modeling, creation of multi-part designs. You can do quite a bit more in there than you can in the other applications, but it does have a little bit more of a learning curve. So we'll be putting some tutorials up on our website that will be available for free. They'll be under our videos directory. They'll be up within a few days. Some free tutorials that you can get are Shapeways tutorials. So if you go to shapeways.com, you can learn some things about designing there. And then Fusion learning resources. So Fusion 360 has learning resources available through Autodesk. If you're more interested in finding out some more in-depth learning about these programs, there's actually a company called CAD Learning, and you can sign up and register and take classes there, but those are paid courses. And just in full disclosure, we're an affiliate for them, but they do offer quite a range of different programs that are available. So I'm going to take a few minutes and just go through some of the websites that we talked about. And the first one is going to be the 123D app website. So 123D app allows you to load up. So here's 123D Catch, 123D Design. You can download these programs for free. You do need to sign up. So you need to click on the Join Us and create a free membership for this site. So 123D Design allows you to create designs that are more intricate. Again, you can download this for your PC, Mac, and iPad, and then you can get an idea of what some people are making. There's some simple designs, but you can do some really complex things. Tinkercad is a much more simplistic design program, although you can do some unique designs. It's a little bit simpler, and you don't have the level of control that you do with another program like Autodesk 360. This is SketchUp. SketchUp is also free to download. If you want to buy the professional version, you can, but the free version is just fine. The SketchUp warehouse allows you to browse and find additional models, and you can see what people have made with SketchUp, and you'll see that there's quite a wide variety of things that people have made. Autodesk Fusion 360 is a much more advanced program. It's really a design and engineering program, and this can be used for somebody who's more familiar with applications like Autodesk Inventor or AutoCAD, or if you're just starting out and you want to take the time and learn how to use this program. It's a very advanced program. You can do really complex designs. You can also create assemblies and parts that fit together. So here's some parts that people have made, and I'll show you some of the other sites as well. So this is the gallery for Fusion 360, and it ranges from simple models like a teacup all the way to really complex designs like a Darth Vader robot arm, or something like a simple splash that can be created for a 3D print. And this is a program that's used by schools, by educators, by students, by professionals, entrepreneurs, and designers. And if we look at, I'm going to go to the Shapeways tutorials. And click on the Get Inspired. And here's some information about, here's some videos that you can watch. Also things like how I made a skull ring or custom batwing earrings, and how to use and how to make these. So it's interesting. It's a great website to explore. You can learn quite a bit, and it also has a lot of things that you can learn just tutorial-wise. And let's see, we can look at model and design. The Fusion 360 website. So Fusion 360 has basic training. It has a tour of the user interface. This allows you to learn about how to use the program. What are the different aspects of the program that you're going to need to learn in order to use it? Some basic training. And how Fusion 360 works is you can build using primitive objects like spheres, cubes, coils, and things like that, or you can build using sketches. So a sketch allows you to create more complex shapes. And you can go through the tutorials and learn how to use the program. They're very helpful. Again, we'll have tutorials for doing basic modeling on our website, but this is an excellent resource. CAD Learning has quite a few tutorials on their website. Again, those are not free, but they're available if you want to pay for them. Thingiverse is a great website just for getting ideas. So if we do Ornament and search for an ornament, you'll get a number of ideas of what people have been doing. Some good, some not so good. And this is a good way to start and just sort of get an idea of what you want to do. Keep in mind, we're looking for creativity. We're looking for ways that you can use the program, whatever it is you're going to use, and come up with an idea that's unique and different. Even ones with lights in them, although we're not going to put lights in the ornaments, but you can design them any way you like. And I'm going to go back to My Mini Factory and open My Mini Factory, show you guys what this looks like. So My Mini Factory is a unique website. It allows you to search not only for parts that you can purchase, you can also download some free ones. You can also find people who can print your objects for you. So if I search for ornament here, again, I'll get a list of holiday ornaments that are available through this website. And again, they're only asking you to register. It's free to register. We ask that you don't download one of these and modify it. The idea is to make it your own. If anybody has a question now, go ahead and type it in. This is Turbo Squid, and if I look for an ornament on Turbo Squid, you'll see quite a few. These are all professionally made ornaments. And again, the cost ranges from a few dollars and up. And again, these are also a great way to get inspired and really get a feel for what you want to do. So I do want to thank you. I know this is just a short introduction. Keep your eye on our website. We'll be putting videos up. One other thing that I want to show you is on Autodesk 123D apps, there's also something called the Sandbox. And the Sandbox is a lot of fun. You can create simple 3D jewelry. Project Shapeshifter allows you to create things like vases, bracelets, unique objects, and you can use those as a starting point and then edit those later. I want to thank you for taking the time and joining us this afternoon. Again, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. We'll try and answer them as best as we can. Thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful day.